This is a demonstration on installing the antenna. Let's start with the bracket. We need to install it as high as possible on the pole or structure, and then we secure it with the U-bolts, lock washers, and nuts applied. Next, slide the antenna into the bracket, slide on the antenna lock washer, and then the antenna nut. The antenna nut needs to be tightened securely, as we don't want the antenna to turn when installing the coax. Next, we need to tighten the coax onto the connection hand tight, and then 1/8 more turn to engage the seal inside the coax connector. Now we should support the coax. In this case, we are using a clamp. This is needed as the weight of the coax, or the wind blowing on the coax, or vibration could cause the coax connector joint to fail. The clamp should be tightened down enough to hold the coax, but not so tight it cuts into it. The last thing we need to do is seal all the connections. Take one of the sheets of sealant, slice or cut a strip off, pull one side of the protectant paper off the sealant, align the sealant sticky side toward the base of the antenna, and then start wrapping the sealant around, removing the other protective paper at the same time. And then squeeze the sealant around the base to form a good seal. Apply the sealant the same way on the bottom as you did on the top, and then squeeze it to ensure that there is a good seal around the antenna thread to coax connection joint. The antenna installation is done. Here is a list of other wireless how-to videos available on YouTube. Use the URL below to view the complete educational services course offering.